Welcome to Popo Crochet School. Today, we're mastering this stunning leaf motif. Can create anything you love, from chic bags to cozy home blankets. Hi everyone! The tutorial for this stunning stitch is finally here. Follow along step by steps. It's easier than it looks. Let's dive in. We'll start with a found chain. Remember, the initial slip knot does not count as a stitch. The stitches count for this. Pattern must be a multiple of 10, plus 1. For instance, 3 repeats require 31 chains, while 4 repeats require 41. I'm starting with 41 chains today. Once you have 41 chains, place a stitch markers on the last chain, then chain 3. This acts as your first double crochet. Place another marker on that third chain to indicate the first double crochet of row 1. Now skip the stitches with the orange marker and begin working double crochets into the following stitches. After your set of double crochets, chain 1, skip 1 stitch below, and continue the sequence. Check your work. In row 1, you should see 1 window or space. By row 2, you should have 3 spaces. This ensures your pattern is aligned. We've completed the first 3 rows. Now, turn your work over to begin row 4, where we'll start the leaf motifs. The leaf pattern is worked across 5 spaces, creating an inverted triangle. Let's identify them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All leaf motifs follow this inverted triangle pattern. Let's demonstrate the first one. Once you learn the first motif, the rest of the row is just a repeat. We'll start from this double crochet. Bring up the new yarn and chain 3. These 3 chains count as yours. First double crochet, then chain 2 to move forward. In the first space, work 3 unfinished half double crochets, pulling the loops long. The height of these loops are equal to about 3 chains. Pro tips: hold the loops on your hook to prevent them from shrinking as you work. You've now completed the 5-part leaf cluster. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 1 to secure the cluster tight, and the loop to define the leaf shape. Chain 3 from the same space we just finished. We'll begin our transitional double crochets. This completes one repeat. Row 5. We'll simply repeat the logic of row 1. The entire pattern is repeated in a 4-row, rows 2 through 5. Continue until you reach your desired length. And that's it! Once you master this leaf motif, the possibilities are endless. You can use it for chic seasonal bags, cozy home blankets, or even antique scarf. Just choose your favorite yarn and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching Popo Crochet School. Can't wait to see your creations. Happy crocheting!